Greetings from Tool Zone. Craving that satisfying feeling? You're in the right place. Watch how expert hands transform everyday tasks into stunning displays of precision. Time to enjoy some top-tier skill in action. Breaking a massive stone slab away from solid rock with surgical accuracy and doing it by hand. These craftsmen have practically bent nature to their will. Every move is so precise, it's less labor and more a mesmerizing form of art. Think your job is stressful and high pressure? One look at these guys and you'll realize your daily grind is just a warm-up compared to what they deal with on the regular. A man paints abstract freeform lines on a gate, giving it the expressive flair of a modern art piece. Any task feels lighter with a good partner, especially one who keeps the mood up and the tools handy. Painting a ceiling isn't easy, and yes, it can even be dangerous, but the result absolutely stunning. It completely transforms the space and gives the room a whole new look. Wall design truly is an art form. What do you think of this creative concept? There's something oddly soothing about watching candy being made. It's like the visual equivalent of watching waves or a crackling fire. Ready to start roofing? The worker is all set, tools at the ready. It's just a matter of fastening everything down correctly. In her hands, ordinary cement becomes a living canvas, and the trowel turns into a paintbrush for fine details. Watching her work feels like witnessing the birth of a masterpiece, one that can never be duplicated. There are plenty of ways to clear vegetation from ice, but this one looks like a precision surgery on a frozen surface. All it takes is the right tool and a steady hand. Wow, just look at how stunning that film looks on the car. Once applied carefully, it's nearly indistinguishable from a professional paint job. A perfect solution for anyone wanting a fast, flawless vehicle makeover. This isn't just riding a wave, it's owning it. Power, balance, perfect timing. It's hypnotic. Be honest. Aren't you already imagining yourself up there surfing like a pro? With a wooden template, precise shapes are cut from a stylish leather sheet for detailed crafting. Pouring paint onto a surface might sound simple, but just look at how mesmerizing it is. Every splash feels like a little universe unfolding. Pretty magical, right? This pipe wrap is so precise, even the toughest critics would be impressed. It's a job well done and worthy of real praise. Extracting honey from the comb requires a delicate and careful approach. This herding dog doesn't mess around. With a flash of its teeth, it reminds everyone who's running the show here. Straw hats might be machine woven, but the finesse, the final styling and shaping still rests in skilled human hands. That last touch makes all the difference. Trees tried to grow right in the middle of the road, but this man had other plans. Even the pet seems to recognize the glassmaker's exceptional skill. The more pencils you have, the more artwork you can create. This painting device is a technological gem. It applies paint evenly while keeping the surrounding area neat and spotless. No mess, just perfection. Sure, carrying 4 to 6 plates might seem impressive, until you see this young man in action. He's like a real-life superhero of the restaurant world. Ever seen shoes being repaired with cork? It's a surprisingly fascinating process. There's something visually stunning about every second of this video. It seems like this guy could pull it off blindfolded. This guy's glue application technique is next level. Fast, clean, and zero waste. Now that's a flawless cheese cut. So clean and tempting, you instantly want to grab a piece and take a bite, right? The bees have truly outdone themselves this time. Nature's perfect teamwork. That long strand of dough is a culinary masterpiece. It's stretched so smoothly, it seems almost machine-made. But in fact, it's the chef's talent turning simplicity into perfection.